morning, children. Today I start class 2nd English unit 5 Funny Bunny. See here page number 80. Page number 80, lesson name Funny Bunny. See here, I read the lesson first. One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Ouch, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. See here, he is a funny bunny. Can you see the picture? Here, yes, here there is a nut. See there, nut means fruit. Fruit, this is, fell on the Funny Bunny. See in the picture, can you see there? Yes, the nut fell on his head. So he feel the sky is going to fall. He feel like that. How he feel? Sky is going to fall on me. So he want to tell the king. So he went. On the way he met Henny Penny. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. See there, on the way he went to king's house. He went to king's house. On the way he met one Henny Penny. See there in the picture. Can you see? This is Henny Penny. He met Henny Penny and he said to Henny Penny, the sky is going to fall. So I want to tell the king. That time, see there next, I will come too, said Henny Penny. The Henny Penny said, when Funny Bunny said, for the sky is falling, going to fall, so I want to tell the king. That time, Henny Penny says, I too come with you. Henny Penny says, I too come with you. And they went to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky. Cocky Locky. Shall we go next page? Yes. See there, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. See there, on the way they met Cocky Locky. See there in the picture. Can you see? This is Cocky Locky. On the way he met Cocky Locky and said to the Cocky Locky, the sky is going to fall. So I want to tell to the king. That time Cocky Locky said, what he said, I will come too, said Cocky Locky. I too come with you, said who? Cocky Locky. Next is there, and off they went to find the king. On the way they met Lucky Ducky. See there, Lucky Ducky, duck in the picture. Can you see there? Here duck is there, no? He met Lucky Ducky and said, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. That I am going to tell the king, said Funny Bunny. I will come too, said Lucky Ducky. Lucky Ducky also go with them to the king's house. And off they went to find the king. On the way they met Poozy Goozy. There, one more bird. See there in the picture. Can you see the picture? Poozy Goozy. On the way they were all met Poozy Goozy. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. Funny Bunny said, the sky is going to fall, so I want to tell to the king. I will come too, said Poozy. Poozy Goozy also go with them. Go with them. All together they went to the king's house, King Port. And off they went to find the king. On the way they met Foxy Foxy. Foxy Foxy. Can we go next page? Yes. See there on the way they met one Foxy Foxy. Foxy Foxy. This is Foxy, isn't it? Yes. The sky is going to fall. They all said, we are going to tell the king. They all says, we are going to tell the kings to the port, way to the port. Here symbol is there, no? Here they went to, but that time on the way they met Foxy Foxy, and say them, we are going to tell the king. The king lives here, said Foxy Foxy. Follow me. Foxy Foxy said, the king is live here. Come with me, I will show you. Said who? Foxy Foxy. And there was the end of the Funny Bunny. That was the end of the Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Lucky, Lucky Ducky, and Poozy Goozy. Okay, see there. The fox said, I will show you where is the king. Come with me, follow me. Fox said. That time all they went with the fox. But fox, what they did? They eat all animals. They eat all animals. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky, and Poozy Goozy. Can you understand this lesson, children? Okay. Just you read and learn this lesson. Here are some new words. Nut, ouch, met, I am, I will, or we are. See there? What is the meaning of that new words? Nut. Nut means a fruit with a hard shell. In the picture you see no. This is nut. This is nut. This is fruit with a hard shell. Next one, ouch. When the nut fell on the head of the Funny Bunny, that time he said ouch. Ouch means used to express pain. Okay. See here. Ouch. Ouch means used to express pain. Met. To see someone after a certain period of time. Next one. I am. Short form of the am. I will. Off. To move away. Off means move away. Then we are. The short form, we are. This is we are. Okay, can you understand these words? Okay, just you read and learn this lesson, and also what new words and their meanings. Okay. Reading is fun. Next page, see there. One day dash fell on Funny Bunny. Here in the bracket they give an option. A nut or the sky. Which one? One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. You have to write here a nut. Next one. Funny Bunny wanted to tell dash what he saw. Funny Bunny, in the bracket they're given the king, the cock, the sky, isn't it? So Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king. The king. You have to write here the king. Okay. Who said these words in the story? See there. Here given some 4 sentences. Who said these sentences? You have to write here in the space. Okay. Ouch. The sky is falling down. Who said these words? Funny Bunny said these words. I must tell the king. Who said these words? Funny Bunny said these words. The king lives here. Who said this? Foxy Foxy said this, isn't it? Follow me. Who said this? Foxy Foxy said this. Okay. What happened to all the animals in the end? This question also I will send in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Here let's listen. Funny Bunny, Cocky Locky, Henny Penny, Poozy Goozy, Foxy Foxy. Just read and learn these words. Okay. Can we go next page? Yes. See here in the next page, say aloud. Say aloud. Ouch, pouch, couch. Follow, hollow, swallow. Follow, hollow, swallow. Next, down, town, frown. Break, clay, sway. Okay, just say, read and learn these words. Let's write. Circle the odd one out. Here they're given words. Which one is not related? One word is not related, remaining. Okay, that word you find out and put circle. Bun, sun, fun, gun, one. Here in this is words, one is odd one because this is not a thing, isn't it? Yes. Next, bed, fed, led, said, read. Here said, put circle, said. He, me, be, t, we. Here t is odd one. Next one, we, say, he, pay, they. They, you put circle, they. Okay, this is odd one. Next one, see that find the opposite of the given words and make sentence. Here they are given words and write here opposite words. Fat opposite word, thin. Thin, thin, thin. Fall, rise, ri, rise, se. Start, end. Come, go. Big, small. Use these words and write here one sentence. Okay, try to write. Do yourself. Can we go next page? Yes. See here in the next page, fill in the blanks with the correct word. Here in the bracket they are given words. You have to choose correct word and write here. Okay, I read a funny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut fell, right here, fell, F-E-L-L, fell on his head. He thought that the sky was falling. Sky was falling. So B went to tell, went, right, went to tell the king. On the way he met different animals. All of them joined him. At last they met, M-E-A-T, met a clever fox. It took them to a forest and ate them all of it. Okay, can you understand? As all of them ate them all off. Okay, can you understand? Next is the rearrange these words to form sentence. Here they given words, they are not arranged in proper order. You have to arrange in proper order and write here in the space they are given. No, there you have to write. One I will show. See here, on funny bunny fell a nut one day. Here you have to write correct and write here sentence. One day a nut fell on funny bunny. Like this you have to write. Okay, remaining you have try to write the sentence. Okay children, can you understand? Huh? You must do it remaining. Okay, can we go next page? Yes. See here in the next page, change only one letter of each word and make another rhyming word. Here one should say they, see there, fell, tell. Next one, down, town, T-O-W-N. T-O-W-N, town. Next one, met, pet. P-E-T, pet. Next one, way, bay. Next one, king, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Soon, moon. Next, bat, cat. Can you see? You have to write it in your textbook. Okay. Next, look at the pictures. Give the animals the right names. Here, see the animals and write which animals are there. Write the animal's name here. Here, chicken, hen, cock, duck, fox. You have to write like this. Okay. Can you do? Yes, you must do it. Okay. Okay. Related class notes I will send in your WhatsApp group. Just you copy it. Okay. Bye. Thank you.